on the foil. Okay, I have a pencil sharpener.
Take off like the cap. The cap to a pencil sharpener? How do you empty it out? Lip oil.
Open it. Can you put it in and out? Like,
Nice.
okay.
Hey, like hit it and like slide it against the table.
You're gonna drop everything.
That sounds like a calculator.
It's not.
Okay. Ask me one now.
Okay, can you roll it on the table?
Okay.
Sounds like a mark.
It doesn't roll. Take the lid off again.
I'm holding up the mountain.
The mountain.
That sounds like a calculator.
Take off the lid again, like, and put it like in and out, like, you know what I mean? Like,
Okay.
okay, that's believable. I think it's a. Okay, what do you think mine is?
I think it's a calculator.
I think yours is actually lip oil. Like,
Okay.
that's believable. 2, 1.
Oh, what is
Oh,
that? It's for a retainer.
container.